I'm Zaina Al-Hadidi. I'm doing the 16 to 18-year-old fashion design course at Central St. Martin's. So we've done basically every single crucial step to designing a collection. We've looked at the more artistic side, we've done collages, we've done a lot of free sketches and just trying to create ideas and form things that maybe we've never seen ourselves making before. Looking at fashion as a form of art, a lot of people just see it as, a garment that you put on. But I think this course definitely puts it into perspective that fashion is art. It's something you can admire, something you can frame. It's much more than just a piece of clothing. And I also learned how to take a much more focused approach on designing. Before, my head would be all over the place with mind mapping and trying to find ways to make clothes look like clothes, but this taught me that there really is no right or wrong direction, and you just make what comes to mind. And I think the most important thing that I learned was to just go for it. I started with a really strange vegetable netting, and I turned it into something that kind of looks like veins. So no matter how rough you start, you can always come up with something that's never been done before. Don't be afraid to put pen to paper. I saw that a lot of my classmates were, but once you start drawing and once you start putting your mind on a page, it turns out in a way that you'd never probably expect. If you keep restraining yourself and saying that this doesn't look right and this doesn't look right, and sticking pages together because you don't like how they look, it's not going to turn out to be a collection that you're fully proud of, because mistakes are part of the process in designing. So they're all so different. I think what's so incredible about coming on a course like this is that you probably won't know anyone, you wouldn't have met them before, and they all think so differently, and they'll think differently to you. And so you'll learn things from each other, but you'll also be able to take things away and maybe apply it to your own life, and maybe it'll help you evolve as a designer, as an artist.